Hi, I'm Dr. Jan Cobble of Masterpiece Smiles. Sometimes people come in who have extreme headaches frequently and are not aware that their bite can be the cause of their problem. And the reason for that is they are grinding their teeth at night, which is called bruxism, and puts extreme forces on the teeth and the muscles around the face and neck. So the solutions are making a bite appliance to wear at nighttime to protect the teeth or to restore the teeth thoroughly to their original condition and correct the bite that way to eliminate all that intense pressure on the teeth and therefore eliminate the headaches. Give us a call, we'll get you in and evaluate you, see if you would benefit from having your bite corrected.